Lit Suite. Create case file templates. The Lit Suite apps allow you to make a template of a case file to use in other matters with similar facts. You might do this if you're a plaintiff lawyer and have a number of similar cases against one defendant, or a defense lawyer with a practice defending an insurance company from similar claims. This is a great way to start a new case with a head start on folder organization and some of the important documents common to the cases, such as case law or issue codes. The process of creating a case file template is the same for all the apps, and we'll use TranscriptPad for this video, but we'll also go into certain specifics for each app later in this video. While viewing a case file in the Case Selection screen, press and hold on the case file name, and from the resulting popover, choose Save as Template. You will be presented with a Template Created confirmation, and a new template case file based on the case file you selected will be created and placed in the Template Chooser window. To use any of the case file templates you create, press the plus button in the Case Selection screen. In the top section, under Templates, you should see all the template case files you created. When you tap on one of the template case files, a dialog box will give you the option to name this new case file. This is similar to doing a Save As on a desktop computer, thereby not changing the template case file. This means that you could save the same template file to create Smith v. Acme, Jones v. Acme, and so on. Each of the case files will open up with the contents you chose to be in the template, and you can add or delete files or evidence as needed to customize it for your particular matter. For TrialPad, the template will include the file and folder structure from the source case file, as well as any documents, multimedia, and key docs. It will also include the highlight, pin, and redact annotations made to key docs, bookmarks added to documents, any exhibit stickers that were applied to documents, the admitted status of documents, and presenter notes that were added to documents or key docs. For DocReviewPad, a template will include the file and folder structure from the source case file, as well as any documents. It will also include the highlight, pin, and redact annotations made to documents, bookmarks added to documents, Bates numbers that were applied to the documents, tags or issue codes that were assigned to entire documents or individual pages, and sticky notes added to any pages. In DocReviewPad, it may be useful if you always have certain issue codes already created and available in a template case file. You can do this by creating issue codes without assigning them to a particular document. But you do need to have at least one document in the case file to be able to create issue codes. To accomplish this, you could import a placeholder document, like a blank page. For TranscriptPad, a template will include the file and folder structure from the source case file, as well as any TXT transcripts or PDF exhibits in the case file. It will also include issue codes that were assigned to designations of transcripts, highlight, underline, and redact annotations, flags, as well as the notes associated with flags. Similar to DocReviewPad, you may want to have certain issue codes already created and available in a TranscriptPad template case file. However, unlike DocReviewPad, TranscriptPad requires you to assign issue codes to an actual transcript. To facilitate this, we have created a one-page transcript placeholder file that includes the instructions on how to create issue codes for a template case file. This file can be downloaded from the Help Center. Just search for the support article called "How do I create placeholder issue codes in TranscriptPad?" and follow the instructions. You can delete any user-created template file by doing a press and hold on the template case file and tapping on Delete. The only template you cannot delete is the empty case file template, which is used to create a new case file.